Yes. Here is a combined statement of what the text AI analysis file is and what the Universal Numbers Group, or UN Group, AGT is. The text AI analysis file is a transcript-style working document created by the UN Group. It is not the raw astronomical source data itself. Instead, it serves as a meta document, a file that contains prompt instructions, verification rules, explanatory framing, workflow guidance, and prior analysis language used to describe, organize, and test the UN Group AGT. In other words, it explains how the AGT is to be interpreted, how its claims are to be checked, what source files are to be used, what materials are visual reference only, and what kinds of structures the model is said to contain. It is the procedural and interpretive wrapper around the work, not the underlying Eclipse dataset itself. The UN Group AGT is the structured Eclipse doctrine described within that file. Based on the text file alone, the AGT is a selected and organized eclipse architecture built from 39 solar eclipses arranged into 20 pairs and 3 waves, with a special structural center at number 20. It presents those eclipses as linked through converging duration behavior, zodiacal symmetry, wheel geometry, connector totals, and formal digital root relations. The AGT is therefore not merely a chart of eclipses and not merely a symbolic wheel. It is a paired, wave-based eclipse order model in which astronomical timing, apparent tropical ecliptic longitude, half-degree wheel placement, measured connector arcs, and recurring 1, 2, 3, and 3 to 6, 9 numerical relations are all treated as parts of one integrated structure. The AGT PDF is treated as the visual synthesis of this model, while the CSV source files are treated as the proper basis for independent recalculation and audit. So put simply, the text AI analysis file is the instructional and explanatory framework for the work. And the UN Group AGT is the actual eclipse pair wave doctrine that the file is describing, organizing, and preparing to be tested. In one sentence, the text AI analysis file explains the UN Group AGT, and the UN Group AGT is the structured 39 eclipse 20 pair 3 wave doctrine that the file exists to define, frame, and help verify.